Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Mujahid Hussain. Hope you are doing well at your homes. Dear students, today we are going to learn about perform scanning, that how can we protect our PC from malwares or different types of viruses which are available in different flash drives or from internet, and they can harm our PC. So make protective to be protected our PC from these type of malwares. So we are going to download Samadev. So just type Samadev antivirus. So you can see there is a Samadev antivirus 2020. So just click on this one and download into your PC, as I have just downloaded into my PC. So there is available on my PC. Now what you have to do, just click on this Samadev twice, and then you press OK, and then select language, then just click next. And this is a terms and conditions for license agreement. Next, and then install. This will be installed in your PC in a few seconds. After installing this one, click on finish, and then this will be launched automatically. So you can see this Samadev is present in your PC, now my PC. So now you can go through this one, protect. So there is a caution that you are using Samadev free, so you can't use the additional feature. If you want to use the full features of Samadev, please buy key license to the register Samadev provision. It means I haven't registered this Samadev. That's why I am unable to use all these features. In a free version, I can just auto scan, USB flash disk, and secondary protection, only these two. But I cannot hide message from the startup. I cannot protect my settings and tools and additional features I can't use. Profit and commercial use I can't do that one. So for registering this one, just you have to go through the settings, and if you have a key inside your setup, then just click make a copy of this name and place it in this name, and then you have to copy the key and just paste over here. Then after pasting a name and key, then just click on the registration. So now see, thanks to you are success to register Samadev Pro. Now you can use the additional features in Samadev Pro. Now I can go through tools. I can see these features and protect. Now you can see the protection is active plus USB anti-exe. Means whenever you will install USB drive, flash drive into your PC, then that will be the virus will be detected automatically. And now in tools, you can in settings, you can see all other features are available, and in Pro now you are using all the features which are involved in Pro. And after making it registration, after the registration, now you can check the updates while clicking on check updates, and then there is a version. If there is a new version available, then that will be downloaded. Now download this one. Yes, new updates are available on the PC on the Samadev. So last time this was updated on 13th August 2019, and now this Samadev is being updated. And if you want, so these are the different settings. If you want to disable this protection, so click on this disable, then your PC will not be protected by the Samadev. So now see Samadev registered to max 0 So this is a process. After registration you can go through you can go through the protect or tools protect, and then you will have to enter the key and name for registration. So this is a way that how can you update your system. And now on the very first page that is a scanner, and where you can perform different type of scanning, like you can perform quick and full scan. Quick means just click on this this scan, then your whole PC will be scanned. Now your PC system is this was updated, and that's why okay. Now see, we have need to register the Samadev. So go through the settings and again open the key and enter this key. Just copy and paste name here. After the name, just copy the key and paste it in the key. Now register. Our Samadev is registered. So now go through the scanning. So quick scanning, when you perform quick scanning, just click on this scan. Your PC will be scanned, means your system, the partition where your Windows is installed, that will be scanned very quickly. It might take hardly 1 to 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but not more than 5 minutes. So after this scanning, you can also fully scan. You can also scan fully system, and you can also go through the different drives, like a custom scanning. Means if you want to install any drive, like I want to scan this folder, I want to scan this, or I want to scan all these folders, all these drives, then just I will check on these all, then the scanning report will be in front of me. So you can also go through the full scan as well. So all the drives are checked. Now click on scan, and PC is being checked, scanned fully. So this is a way that how can you go through the different types of scanning, like quick scan, full scan, or custom scan. So is there any question, then comment. I'm available for you guys, and comment and ask the questions. Do the practice, install this scanner into your PC, and then perform quick scan, full scan, and custom scan. And is there any question, then ask, comment. I'm available for you guys. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.